So I'm installing this, this is a fan heater light combination in a bathroom. So here's some tips on this. First of all, pre-wire it when it's on the ground. Don't try to do that in the air. So I got my wires cut the length to go to the switch. Then I've already got it pre-fit with my, for the exhaust to go in. Now up here to help yourself, here's the exhaust. I already got it in there. Now to help yourself out, okay, right here, I'm using 5/8 sheetrock on the ceiling. So I use a scrap, then a piece of plywood. So then I can just set this in and it will level it for when I put my fasteners to the side. This will automatically level it, and then I can slide it in and out until I get it into here and screwed in and taped off. So let me handle that right now. So I got it up here, so we're taped in place and it's sitting on the plywood there. So now all I got to do is just measure this side. I'm going to get this even, same distance, and put sheetrock screws into the sides here. And then I can take my wires down into my box here, and I'll be able to wire that up. So this way I don't have to try and hold it and balance it. I automatically get it level because I'm using 5/8 rock and I use that for a spacer. And the plywood holds it up, so no need to strain if you don't have to. Hope this is helpful to you. And of course, a major tip, wire it up on the ground instead of trying to stand on a ladder and do it. All right, until next time, God bless.